else in the mood for an apple? A nice old lady gave it to me. Huh? What is up, you guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. I have been dressing up like princesses all month long.
Not to toot my own horn, but I did, in fact, nail it.
I figured we would end this series paying tribute to the original, the classic, Snow White. My humbly provocative interpretation of the famous blue gown. So here we go. Snow White. Anyone could see that the prince was charming. The only one for me. Oh, here's our outfit of the day. I have this little poofy skirt. Again, this petticoat comes in hella handy. The same little brown dress that I've been using for everything else. A little nude corset. And of course, a little puffed sleeved collared shirt that I thought just made it look just a little more Snow White-esque. Little shoulder accessory there. Oh, hello. These black shoes again. And of course, our apple. And of course, I got my short little wig to complete the look. And red lips. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Snow White. Well, good thing that's me. Now I just need 7 little dwarves to run around the house to make it perfect. I really should have made all my boyfriends dress up as the dwarves. That would have been so funny. Oh, it's 7 tiny men. Sleepy, dopey, grumpy, happy, sneezy. I honestly just watched Snow White last night and I honestly can't remember the names. I would be terrible on Jeopardy. Free apple? Of course, I love anything free. Broke bitch tips, don't go grocery shopping, accept apples from strangers. Good night, I'll just be waiting for true love's kiss. See you in 50 billion years. Oh, Prince Charming, where the f*** are you? Hi-ho, it's off to work we go. More like just hi-ho. Hey! Alright, so before we actually officially start making the costume, I'm gonna take you guys with me into the forest, aka, of course, downtown Los Angeles, to pick up some, you know, ingredients for this project. Woo, we got the hustle and bustle of a few days before Halloween! Hello, sunshine of my life!
This week of my life, I think Amber 5 times already.
Alright, what can we get today? Ooh, like honestly, is downtown just not the coolest place ever? I can't. This is so amazing to me. Like, they literally have everything you ever wanted ever. Woohoo! Alrighty, I think this'll do. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, so here's what I got for this project, the ingredients. As always, we will start with the base of the outfit. So, ta-da, this bra coming in clutch again. We got this. We got a little waist corset, some matching underwear. So that is going to be the base of the costume. Then everything else I got is just decor, accessories, and shenanigans. We got some little gold, little lace patchy things, some tights. I don't know which ones we're going to use, but we got these. A bunch of red glitter from Benny because we love it. Some red crystals. Of course, we got an apple. Why I didn't buy a normal apple, I don't know. I got a fake apple and it cost me like $10, but that's fine. Okay, so we got that. I got some gold fabric. We got a headband, some white ribbon. I'm gonna try and make a cape thing with this. Who knows if that'll work. As always, I don't know what on earth we're going to do, but well, I've figured it out before, so let's figure it out again. Bippity boppity, wrong fairy tale. Snow White. Let's begin.
Alright, so to start out, we're going to make some bows out of this little crystally fabric. So I'm going to wrap that accordion-style hamburger, whatever we used to call it in kindergarten, and bend that into a bow shape like this. Then I'm just going to take a hot glue gun and wrap a little centerpiece around it of the red glittery wire to make it into a bow. Take one of the little crystals and glue that in the center. So then we have these cute little red bows to kind of decorate the outfit with. So I'm going to make a bunch of those just so I have a few on hand for me to kind of go nuts and just put them all over the place. Okay, so as you know, I don't know how to sew and I don't really know how to professionally do anything. So to make puffy sleeves, I'm going to take the gold fabric and in the middle of them, I'm going to put some ruffly paper towels. Then I'm just going to glue that around it so you can see it kind of is like a weird gold Tootsie Roll. And then when you put it around your shoulders, kind of like that, it's actually going to stick up straight. I know this is insane, but that is how I did that. Very ingenuitive if I do say so myself. You can see Snow White has these little like red dots kind of on her sleeves too. So I'm going to glue some of these crystals on there just to kind of make it match. And looks like so. I'm going to decorate the rest of the bra with some gold lace trim. Stick one of the bows in the center so then it's all beautimous and fabulous.
Amber's Craft Emporium. Yay! Hi, Mom.
Hi.
I got all my feathers. Half naked doing crafts. This is what's happening in my house, you guys.
And I'm gonna do the tights, so I'm just gonna take the little red crystals, glue those onto the lace gold thingamajigger bobbers, and I'm gonna glue that onto the tights as well, so they look all pretty and nice. Gotta make a headpiece too, so I'm gonna take the black headband and the red crystals and glue that on there, just like that. Add another bow on top to kind of mimic Snow White's red bow. Look at the glitteriness. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. I love it. So Snow White has like a cape thing. I don't want a full cape, but I'm going to just do a little white collar. So I'm going to glue that on the top of the bra there. For the skirt, this is a little confusing. I wish I knew how to explain this better. Basically, I just do a bunch of drapey work. I just went ahead and tied that in the front like that and pinned this back in kind of little drapey fashion, literally just with the safety pin. So easy. Yeah, until that looks kind of like this. Again, you'll see it more in a minute, but that's literally all I did. I just kind of pinned it till it looked how I wanted, left it with a train, and voila. Is anyone really even going to make this? Who knows? I feel like most people just enjoy watching these. But regardless, that is what I did. So then you can see when it is all done. This was a super easy one. It just looks like this. And now it's time to get ready.
All right, so here's Snow White's hair tutorial. Today we're going to be doing the same hair that's already on because I don't know how else to style this short wig. Just kidding. Actually, might try to give us bangs. Let's see if I can... All right, I don't know about that. We're definitely gonna put on a little bit of redder lipstick though. Make it a little more fire.
Got some red lipstick there. Again, I literally do not know how to do my hair, so I was just kind of like screwing around and trying to figure it out until it looked okay-ish.
Oh yeah, that looks so good. Oh, I really need to learn how to do hair.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Sure, why not? Kind of Minnie Mouse-esque, but whatever.
And again, you can see it all done up there, so we are going to go ahead and put it on. Da-da-da-da-da. As I say, drum roll please. Oh my god, are you guys ready for this? Oh my gosh, this came out so stinking cool. You can see, wow, look at the colors, the fabric, the glitter. It's like kind of a simple design, but it is so fire. It's just like a super fun, easy way to do, a spin on a classic.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Oh, still me, yay! Oh my god, I love it. Apple bottom jeans. I'm ready for true love's first kiss. And honestly, a lot of other stuff too. I'm kidding. You can be a princess and X-rated, remember that. As I always say, the duality of woman is her best feature. Don't forget it. Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs, Snow White and the 7,000 handbags. If I was a dwarf, my name would be Shoppy. Snow White's turn at the harp. Oh! She's the best so far. Obviously, I know I should have done this in navy, but like I said, this is my channel and I do what I want.
Definitely the fairest of them all. Perfect for Instagram, perfect for anything. By the way, you can see my TikTok. Nailed it.
As I would say, we nailed it. I'm gonna forget that this is a fake apple and I'm gonna eat it. Snow White, my audition for The Bachelorette. I don't really get along with my stepmom. The name's Snow White, but my college nickname was Ho White, so call me. You kiss me, please. I love you, Prince Charming. The only one for me. I really am tired. Every day I do feel like a real-life Disney princess. All thanks to you. So thanks. Bye-bye now. I'm gonna go live happily ever after. So there you have it, you guys. That was my DIY Snow White costume. I hope you guys enjoyed the last little video. And while we're on the topic of princesses, let me just remind you. To close out the series, I will leave you with this. People always say that fairy tales aren't real, but they 100 billion% are. You can absolutely live all of your wildest dreams and fantasies, and don't let anyone ever tell you otherwise. And you don't need a Prince Charming to do it either. I love you so very much. Kisses till next time. XO.
Why did I even bother doing a costume when I could have just done this? This is so beautiful. I look crazy. It's gonna give me nightmares. Okay. Love you. Bye-bye.